Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like once you have uploaded a profile. I'm going to show you what it looks like live, and then I will show you what it looks like when you are in your admin area. So let's get started, and I am going to go scroll down, and you'll see that we've got members right here, and I'm going to use the sticker store as an example. So you can see this specific person has got its logo as the profile image. This person has got their face as the profile image. Now you can, if you want to, when you upload your profile and give it a name, you can have your name reflecting at the top, like we've got right here, the sticker store and fragrance from heaven, or you can just have your business. That's totally up to you. You can play around with your listing. So you can see that it shows location, which is where they are located, and then I'm in a little brief blurb that is at the top. Right? So what I want to show you now is I'm going to go down here and click on view listing. This is what the client is going to see, and that's what I was speaking about earlier. The navigation of Only Handmade disappears. What you now see here is basically your store, and the person is only going to see the information pertaining to their store. The person that visit your website is not going to see Only Handmade stuff. The only thing of Only Handmade would be the subscribe newsletter. And this is really important because, like I said in the previous video, there is a digital magazine, and in that digital magazine people will be featured. This is our first one that we've uploaded because the business is still new. But the next issue is going to start showcasing people's products and different kinds of articles, and you can actually go and read up about this, or we'll have another video about it, but not in this one. All right, so you can see that there is the logo. This is the cover. You can have your name there instead of sticker store. It tells you the category that you are listed in, and this is what makes this now different from the free package. Here you will be able to click on send a message, and it will go directly to that person, or you will be able to click and write a review. So if I click on write a review, the person will be able to go and type in review in regards to your business, and that review will reflect in your store, right? That is what it looks like. So I'm going to go back to the listing. And then we've got show phone number. If you want to click on it, you can see they show the phone number. It's underlined, so if you click, you will be able to phone that. Same with send message. This icon means that the person is verified. Now, verified means is that I go through each and every single profile that are uploaded. I do not allow junk on the site because we know that there's a lot of spammers out there, and I want to avoid people getting spammed out there. So I do take a look at every member that signs up, and I approves them to make sure that it's legit. And the moment that it's legit, that's when they receive this verified button. Right at top, it just shows the membership plan that you are in. I should change that, but biggest problem. Then make a connection. It says that we are accepting messages. You message again there, and then you'll see that there are different buttons. Now, depending on which membership you chose, you will have access to certain buttons. Now, for an example, people that are on the basic plan will not have options to articles, classifieds, coupons, discussions. They will only have the overview and the products and the about. That's basically all they're going to have, right? Because the coupons and classifieds and articles is within another membership area. They do have their contact details. Everyone will be able to have best design, best price. It's like a logo, a slogan on the top. If you've got a website, you can add your website, your profile for social media, your phone number, and your location. You don't have to have the whole details there. You can just have your suburb and where you are situated. And then a little bit about your sticker store. Here you can talk about it, how they can get contact with you. They need to click on a button. You can ask them here to contact you if they're looking for specific. This is your space. The about area is your space where you can say whatever you want to say. That's what that is about. Now, when we're going to take a look at the articles, when I click on articles, this is an article that this person has done. If I click on it, it's going to take me to the article that this person has written. You can see it's still posted by Sticker Store. There is the article that was written. Now, in this article, you can have links that will link back to a specific product if that is what you choose. You don't have to, but that is what, if that is something that are of interest to you. I'm going to go back to view listing. That's where we were last. And then we're going to go to classify. And this is the product that I was talking about. This is a good example. The Sticker Store is selling stickers, but they use this little press to make their stickers. And maybe they are upgrading now and they no need to use this one anymore, so they can put it up for sale, right? And that's why this is the area to put up, where they can see what it is used for sale. There is the amount. They click on view more, then it's going to give them all the information. Now, there could be a slide. You can have a lot of images here. You don't have to have just one. If you upload more than one image, you would be able to go from one to the other one. You can have the contact people number and more details, right? So here you can also have a message if interested. Message. You click on more details, it will take you to whichever, maybe a telephone number. I've just added more details to go to another website, so you can choose if you want to send. Right? Now let's go back to the view listing. Now under the coupons, this is the coupon codes, the same thing here. You click to read more or view more, and then you can talk about it. And this is the coupon code that they can copy and use. That's why they've got this little scissor. More details is that where do you want to send them to? Your WhatsApp, your telephone number, doesn't matter where. You just need to add in the link as to where you want to send, maybe to your website, your Facebook, doesn't matter. And you can see that there is an expiry date here as well. We're going to go back to the view listing. Now we're going to take a look at the products. Here you'll see is the different kinds of products that this store is selling. You can see we've got rolls. It says it's in stock. You can change this to say it's out of stock. Totally, you're in control. You can have more detail inside of these areas. You see that one doesn't have any details, but this one do. If you want to, you can click on it. Gives you the amount. It says 30 Rand, and there could be more images if you upload more. And see the related images, and then awesome box stickers. More details here should be buy now. So I'm going to actually change this button to reflect buy now and not else, so that it's going to make it a little bit good that I'm making the video, right? So I can see the changes that needs. All right, so now that was the products. Discussion is the forum. So if I click on that, I think my internet dipped there for a moment. How do you promote your products on social media? Maybe this is a question that you have and you want people to start talking about. So I've been promoting my products on social media, but it's struggling. Can anyone else feel the same way? What are you doing? So then you can log into comments and people can start having a conversation with you. And every time that you log in, you're going to see this conversation happen. And what makes this cool is, and I'm going to keep that now for long. I'm going to show you why all of this is. So this is basically your review that you've got right here, or your profile. Right. So I'm now going to go back to the beginning of a hand. I'm going to show you the power of why I say it's important to be on the best package if you can. Besides the categories where people can go and search. So for an example, if I say I want to do stationery, click on that, and it's going to show everybody under that category. Okay, it shows verified, featured, whatever the case might be. I'm going to go back to home, and let's take a look at the community offer. You can see we've got classifieds. If I click on classifieds, every single person that are uploading a product in their classified area will be listed in this area. So people do not necessarily have to go to your profile to find products that are on sale, because they can look at the community offers and find it right. Really, really cool. Okay? The same applies for coupons. If they click on the coupons, they can see it. If they click view more, they're going to go right into your profile page. right? And the same applies to the articles as well as the forum, right? When it comes to the search, if you want to search, you're going to see we've got these little blocks all around the website or all around the directory. That's why I'm saying it's important that you can have your location, because if you are situated in Cape Town or Durban or wherever, you're going to put in your area and you're going to search, and the system is going to bring up the people that are listed in that specific area. That's why it is important to actually make sure that you do link some type connected to your account. So that's basically what it is with regards to what it looks like when you create your profile. In the next video, I'm going to actually show you what it looks like inside of a profile like that when you are creating it. I hope that makes sense. See you in another